I'll be presenting tonight the product delivery analysis for the year 2010. My name is Aslan Dominguez Brito. I'm a senior at Tarleton State University, majoring in industrial manufacturing engineering. We're gonna be touching main points tonight, but we're gonna be focusing on the charts and the cost and analysis, the cost and effects analysis. For the year 2010, there were 1,208 manufactured products were ready. Only 618 products were shipped on time. 590 were not due to defects. We were able to find out the common delays that we had during the 2010 were missing parts, failed inspections, broken tools, engineering change, and capacity. The 2010 year-long analysis, it was derived by monthly basis. The month of May had the worst month on-time ratio. It was 41.8%. Out of the 122 products that were supposed to be shipped, the two top common delays we had in May were missing parts and broken tools. The 1,208 products, the trend chart helped us to show the month of May. It had the worst month. As you can see, the 41.8, and then it shows an improvement for the rest of the year, between June through October. So the action was taken, we decided to inspect the products. So there were 122 products were delayed in May. The pie chart helped us to shows that 51 products were shipped on time, and 71 of them did not. So the actions we took, which look at the small details and inspect them. So the prior chart. So the pie chart shows 122 products were late. So why they were late? So the prior chart helps us show that they help us to determine that why the products were late. As we can see here, missing parts and broken tool were the two top common reasons for delay. Both of them have a combined of 50.7% of the issues. The engineering change, 14 products were late, percentage equals to 19.7. The failed inspections only had 12. The percentage was 16.9. The capacity was 12.6. You only have 9 products were delayed. So the actions we took, we just have to take a look at, take a look at it, inspect them better before it's being shipped to or delivered. So we're going to use the fishbone diagram to help us to find the cause and effect. So what are the reasons were they late? We're able to find out the machinery part. There were a lot of breakdowns, a lot of power errors, and it was like machines had lack of maintenance. Material-wise, they had the wrong tools and improper usage. The operations, they were not using the correct assembly. And the manpower, we had the inexperienced personnel and the lack of training. So the proposed actions that we took for the year 2010, we decided to hire new personnel. The employees needed to be retrained back and retrained properly. The machinery was reduced. Between the months May through July, the demand was high, so it required more production. based on proposed actions, so the on-time ratio shows an improvement. For June through October, it was higher than 50. For any follow-up questions, please email me, osman.dominguez@gotarleton.edu.